that I'm in a relationship with Camila. I've just sort of stayed away from it just because it's obnoxious at this point.
Whatever. Whatever rocks their boat.
I was thinking about you, thinking about me, thinking about us, what we gon' be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream.
Travel back down that road, we come back, no one knows. I realized it was only just a dream.
I was at the top and now it's like I'm in the basement. #1 spot, now you're finding a replacement. I swear now that I can't take it, knowing somebody's got my baby. Now you ain't around, baby, I can't think.